Hello everyone, my name's Al and this is Metal Mining with CryptoCat. Today's video I'm going to be cleaning a couple of rigs. I'm going to be cleaning my RX 580 8GB GPU, which is currently mining Ethereum, and I'm CPU mining Raptoreum. And I'm on my big rig here. We've got an RX 470 4GB, which is on Raven coin. We've got 5500 XT 8GB, which is on Ethereum. We've got 5700 XT Red Devil, which is on Ethereum. That's an 8GB as well. We've got the big boy, the RTX 3090, 24GB, on Ethereum also. And then I've got a little 1650 Super, which is also on Raven. And I've got a little crappy CPU, which is also CPU mining Raptoreum. I'm also going to be doing an update on my Helium mining, so stay tuned for all that, and also the update on where the cat has been. So if you've all been wondering where the cat has been, Mr. CryptoCat, he's been up the tree with Mr. Magpie and his family. Hey buddy. Been for dinner, innit? We always come back hungry. Yeah? Jealous you can't fly. You're jealous of that bow tie you got, innit? So this is my Helium update. It's been up for just over 30 days. I have had 2 occasions where the miner has gone offline and I've had to do a manual reset. I've lost about nearly a week in syncing times, but overall it's done 6.8 HNT. I am probably going to do a video of updating the SD card, which goes into there. You can download the software off the Rack website. I'll try and do a how-to on that, and I'm probably going to put a 5.8 dBi antenna. I'm undecided on which brand I'm going to use yet. And I'm probably going to bore a hole straight through the wall by there. And I'll attach the antenna to the outside to the roof and probably fit a lightning arrestor just in case I get hit by lightning. And we'll see what sort of earnings we get in the future. So stay up to date with my future videos. And now I'm going to get on with cleaning the Ethereum mining rigs. You want to come up your attic? Come on in. Yeah, I last cleaned this just before Christmas. About a week before Christmas. And as you can see, it's nice and dusty. Well overdue clean. Should help block with temperatures as well. Get rid of all the dust. It's the same with this rig as well.
Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go.
Alrighty then, so we're back up and running. Back mining away. Nice and happily. Those are my overclocks from the Alex 580. I'm currently getting 29 mega hash at the pool. Well, the pool is showing 25 for the minute. But it is doing the 29. I have BIOS modded the card. Got a Raptoreum. Getting around 1,287 hashes, averaging 642 hashes. I am on my 580 using 132 watts of power from 29 mega hash. Like, I have BIOS modded the card. I got the mod from, I think it's Tech Power Up, and I used Polaris GPU BIOS modeling software. I downloaded the original BIOS of the card, I kept that, and then I put my 580 into my Hive rig using Hive OS, and then flashed the downloaded BIOS onto the card. Also remove the card back out of my Hive OS and put it back into Windows, as it's easier than having to do the mod, doing the mod through Windows, because it can be a bit complicated. Yeah, so this is the rig back up and running on Hive OS. These are my cards. That's the mega hash I'm getting per card. That's my temperature. And that's my fan speeds. And these are my overclocks if anybody needs them. Yeah, the power consumption that the Hive OS is showing is known not to be very accurate. You should really use a power meter to see what sort of power draw your rigs are taking at the wall. If you like this sort of stuff, don't forget to like and subscribe to keep up to date with any future content I have coming, and thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.